Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. This is an open collaboration hosted by um, Crafty Girl Chronicles. I had to make sure I got that right. And I will put the link to her channel below, either in the title or the description, or sometimes both. I don't know, it depends on how much room I have in the title. So, Sunday the 22nd, which is the Sunday that falls at the end of this week, is autumn beginning. Fall is going to be here. So I pulled out a bunch of stuff and I ended up finding this whole collection in 12 by 12 that has a sticker sheet, this 6 by 6 mega pad, and this ephemera pack. And I had them all in a iris bin along with a bunch of other stuff. But it's really pretty paper. I think this is Cartabella. It's 65-pound heavy cardstock, and the 12 by 12 actually felt heavier to me, but I might not be. It's just bigger. And this was a 2023 copyright, so it's last year's. So I used one or two of these. I used some of the paper and a couple cut aparts out of the paper. And I finished some washi I had from Echo Park. Both of these were Echo Park. This one looked like that, and I'm so happy to be rid of those. And then I almost finished this one. I have a little more left on there. So I'm not going to throw it out, that's for sure. Not until it is all gone, and these go in my recycle. Um, so let me get this off of here and show you the full layout. Ta-da! I did have a lot of fun, so this is definitely plan, fun, get things done. I had a lot of fun with this. Now I'm going up and down and you can't see the whole thing then. Now if I do that, you can't see the bottom. I just don't have a big enough area here. Period. So these are washi. This was the skinny one that I finished, and I was really trying to get rid of it at one point. This one, what's the one I have some left? The one with the acorns, I still have some left, this one here. And this one finished with just two little strips here. I didn't even have enough to go all the way across there because I was going to go here and over here. But it's okay. I just changed it up. This, and this one were cut aparts. This was ephemera. This was out of the paper also cut apart. This is a sticker, 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 sticker. And then this, that's all paper from the paper, the 6 by 6 paper pad. Actually, what I did is I put the washi down, and then I did my writing, and then I did the other decoration. That was how it worked. So, today is hashtag plan fun, get things done. I already got my walk in. It was a little nippy, but I did it, and because I didn't want to get too late and I need to get a shower. Anyway, I still need to. Too much information. Oh, my cat came to visit us. So I just did the planner layout and scheduling stuff. I need to make Thursday's deck the year and do a video and schedule it for Thursday because I'm not going to have time tomorrow or probably Wednesday. And I do need, from the house standpoint, I need to vacuum, dust, and make a good dinner tonight. We have a plan for that already. This one here says leaves are falling, autumn is calling. I tried not to do pumpkins because, well, there's one on there, but I wanted this to be more about the leaves and the acorns because when I was taking my walk this morning, my neighbor sort of diagonally across the street has an oak tree and there's acorns and stuff all over the road. They're kind of a dirty tree, but they're not as bad as horse chestnut trees, whatever those things are called. So anyway, um, yeah, and the squirrels love all of it, the acorns, the horse chestnuts, whatever. So tomorrow I have to make jewelry because I have a collab and I missed it last month, and I was going to try and do 2 months at once, but I'm at least going to get this month's done. So that's on my other channel, Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More, and that'll be up at noon on Wednesday. So I've got to make it, do the video, and I need to walk. That's the only thing I'm putting in for tomorrow because when I do jewelry, it tends to be several hours at a time, sometimes an all-day thing, and if I try to do 2 months worth, it'll definitely be an all-day thing. I don't know if I'll be able to do that because I put it off so long. Um, Wednesday also, I have to walk 40 minutes. Um, I think this might be the last day of nice weather. I think it's supposed to start raining here, and I'm trying to get my walk in here outside. This one might have to be to a video. I have some CDs that are walking CDs. I might pop one of those in and do it. And I'm going to see a movie. I'm going to pick my daughter up at work Wednesday late afternoon, and we're going to go to a 5 o'clock p.m. show that I'm dragging her to. um, okay, it's actually a documentary, but it's okay. Okay, so Thursday, since I already will have Deck the Year made, I definitely have to walk to a video probably at lunchtime. Thursday's supposed to rain still. And I need to make the Crack the Vault items for my the video on Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern. And that is hosted by Poet Spice, Jamie over at Poet Spice. All one word, Poet Spice. And I have my furnace is getting its annual clean out at 8 a.m. on Friday, so this has to be done and scheduled. And Friday, I have several bargain bead box things to open from the last several months. And I'm going to do that on my Dia Designs channel and do a video, and that'll probably go up on Saturday. And other than that, I want to work Friday on, I'm participating in a coffee collab hosted by Linnea at Fashionably 50 something and beyond, I think is her channel name. I think she did a video. I didn't do an introductory video. I probably need to go watch her video. I'm not sure if I was supposed to, but I missed it if I didn't. Anyway, um, I want to work on that and get at least progress because I have an idea for what I want to do. And because the 29th is National Coffee Day, or maybe it's Worldwide Coffee Day. Let me see. What did I write down here? National Coffee Day. So in the US, it's Coffee Day on the 29th. Woohoo! Which is a Sunday. Yeah, maybe I'll do a live that day with my coffee in hand, which I'm drinking coffee late today, and I've already reheated it once. So that's pretty much it. I didn't write in my gratitude. This one here says grateful. This is the first day of autumn here, Sunday, September 22nd, so I just put this fall. I went around the edges of this, and this one with the Stampin' Up! Pumpkin Pie alcohol marker, and it makes it brighter. And all the writing I did this time, I don't think I used the green, were in these Paper Mate Flare. I think they're Flare. Yeah, Flare. Paper Mate Flare in orange and a red. I need a brown marker. Anybody know where I can get a good brown marker that writes nicely, sort of like these do, and they don't go through the paper, which is what I need. Cause I just want a brown marker. I mean, I have alcohol markers, but I want something to write with that's brown. It's hard to find brown ink. The blue I have on here I had written in last week. Unfortunately, I wrote them in this color, same color as last week, but they are what they are. I wasn't going to white them out and all that since it's just for me. The saying this week says, good nature is more agreeable in conversation than wit. And that is a quote from Joseph Addison. I have no idea who that is, and I don't think I ever heard that before. Good nature is more agreeable in conversation than wit. Yeah, I could see that. It's more agreeable to have a good nature instead of trying to be witty in your conversation. Sometimes wittiness in a conversation can get you in trouble. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I love it, and fall is my favorite, is the truth. Fall is my favorite season. Spring is my second favorite, and the other two they can take away. I like parts of winter too with the snow, and I like parts of summer too, but honestly, it's too hot for me in the summer. I can't go out a whole lot except early in the morning. And in the winter, I don't mind the cold so much right now still, and I don't mind looking at snow, but I sure hate shoveling it and, um, if I don't usually have to drive in it too much these days, but if I did, sorry about that, I wouldn't like that either. I used to have to. And and we get ice around here too, snow and ice, so ick. Anyway, that's all. I'm not going to keep you. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching my video. And I hope you enjoyed my layout. It really was a lot of fun for me this time. And I barely put a dent in any paper, but I'm so happy that I finished some washi, so yay me. All right, guys, take care. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.